Very good. Okay, so letter A, there are 4 different layers. Ooh, that doesn't work very well.
Wait up.
The first one is the inner core, so we're starting in the very center of the Earth. It's really hot. It's 4,000 miles below the surface of the Earth.
What are we supposed to do?
And that's probably just the lowest section.
And it consists of iron and nickel. And folks, it's because of the core, the inner and the outer core, that basically the Earth is heated, okay? That we have, as well as like from the sun, that it's not a cold planet.
Does it say super hot?
It is super hot core. Sorry, the screen also is kind of going over the maps underneath, so I apologize. It looks probably kind of wavy, and I apologize. Yes, Sal?
Shouldn't all that melt be floating around there? Because heat rises.
Well, the heat rises, but it's just like, but what's in the core just like stays there. Maybe it's like the center of gravity, or hope the gravity is the heat.
Yeah, it's probably that.
So, yes, Cyril. I do, but you don't need it right now. I'm
And
sorry.
everybody clap their hands.
I think you'll be okay.
Is there air conditioning in here?
There's not.
It's hot.
I know.
Get used to it.
I
Jeez.
pretend, if you can't imagine, that we're on a tropical island in the South Pacific talking about geography.
Tropical island full of sun. Sun's hot.
Okay, so we have the inner core, we have the outer core. The outer core is liquid, 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? That's pretty toasty. What is the boiling point, by the way? What degree is boiling? Fahrenheit. It's 212. So if you think about how hot boiling water is, and then realize, which is about 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the outer core here is 3,500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really, really hot. Okay? The outer core is 1,400 miles thick, 1,800 miles below the Earth's surface, and we have melted iron and nickel in there as well.
I'm literally recording my handwriting right now.
You're what?
I'm literally recording my handwriting right now.
Oh, that's
It's
cool.
the only way I could get the light.
Oh, okay. That's very cool. Well, let's not flash it in people's eyes. It's a very bright light. Okay, we're getting closer to the surface of the Earth. We have the mantle. The mantle is solid rock. Consists of silicon, magnesium, and iron, so there are lots of minerals. Okay,
Nickelback.
the mantle rises, cools, and sinks. It rises, cools, and sinks again. And 80% of the heat is released, okay, in the mantle. Again, and heat does rise. It comes like to the next section of the Earth.
You're going too fast.
I'm on E.
Oh,
I can't even see from here.
I can't see.
if you are sitting in the back and you can't see, you can move forward. So, and I apologize because this is there's kind of a lot on this slide. Yes.
Should I feel like on the side?
That's up to you if you'd like to. That's very nice of you. Thank you. Yes.
Maybe for the, do you have any open notebooks that you,
No, I can't see.
Not all the time. It's
Not
not.
this.
like the test you take on
I don't know. Usually, if I do want to use notes, it's like do the test, and then for 5 minutes you can use your notes and check it.
the dots? There's
I know.
send it to color.
Well, actually, in some countries they use a decimal instead of a comma, or like where we would usually use a comma, they'll use a decimal is used, and then where we would use a decimal, a comma is used. All right, the outer crust, and I realize, folks, this is at the very, very bottom, and I know it might be kind of hard to read, and I apologize. Think of the outer crust, and folks, this is actually, we live on the outer crust of the Earth, and kind of think about the outer crust as being kind of like an egg, okay, like an eggshell.